Okay, so it's starting to warm up out here. And, uh-oh.
It's dead. Luke, you gotta get that thing out, man. The dogs are gonna start rolling.
Holy smoke, it is a dead skunk. Hold on. Yep, you can see the white on it.
Oh.
Where was
Okay.
trying it?
Zane?
No. Here, bring it out here. Let's get a good picture of it here in the sunlight.
Yeah, and let's move it where the dogs aren't gonna roll in it.
Hold on. Hold it up there.
Put it in the garbage bag.
Just hold it. Don't get that, but I don't want it.
Skunk!
You know, it almost looks like a possum, but it's a skunk, isn't it? Okay.
Look at it growl.
Let me get a closer look at it. Hold on. Hold it still. I think we're looking at a possum, quite honestly. I think.
It might be playing possum.
It's playing possum. Man, it's really playing possum well.